symbol AAPL, that is Apple Inc. This one right here trading right now at $112.77. I looked at this one and I posted, I believe it was yesterday, but anyways, it was before market open. I have the post. I'll pull up and see where they're at now, and there we go. So you see, I posted here earlier today, and it was actually really early this morning. AAPL getting outside that upper Bollinger Band, ready for a pullback. And we see where it's at right now. You're hitting some support going across the lines here. Okay, so we're going to see how this one plays out. Let's see if this 112 holds. All right, when I took a look at this chart, we were right here. It was before today's open. Okay. That's when I made those posts. I thought I was getting ready for a pullback, and that's what you're starting to see here. So keep that in mind. My personal opinion with Apple right now, let's take a look at the long term here. Okay, so you got, yeah, it's having a hard time right now, really holding too much higher above the 112 mark. And you see this red line right here. Okay, that's just a big support line. Go ahead and remove all those lines. Get back into here where we're looking. So if you're trading a stock, you're day trading. I mean, it's $112 a share. Like I said, over on investorshangout.com/live during our live streams, we go all over the board. We like to keep it like that because not everybody trades penny stocks. Not everybody plays these big board stocks. Not every single person day trades. You know the deal. All over the board. That's what we like to do here. Right now, I'm looking into the past. Yeah, I think you're going to end up pulling back down towards the 10-day simple moving average, especially if this breaks. This 112.83. If that breaks through, you could probably head down to about the 111. Yeah, 111.03. I mean, it's changing right now, right at 110. I mean, you got these bigger boards, these moving averages move a lot quicker. You guys all know that. So that is AAPL. Right now, like I said, if it does not hold this support line, it could definitely start going back down towards the 10-day simple moving average. Again, right now it's at 111. So, yeah, that looks to be about the major line of play looking into the past. Right here, you go through it, and once it goes through, but again, once it goes through it up, it makes it through. You know what I mean? So it's basically, that's going to be the line that dictates the move here. That's a term that I like to use when we look at these charts, and you can see that. Once it gets through there, it goes, but once it falls through. So we want to make sure that definitely holds, that 10-day simple moving average. Joe, did you want to add anything for Apple?
No, not really. I mean, the analyst recommendations are all like basically a buy.
Okay. So, hey, you know what? I mean, everybody's got their own thing. People go off of the company, what the company's doing. People go strictly off the charts. You got these analysis. I mean, you know what? My personal opinion about the analysis, who knows what they're being paid to say what, but that's just my opinion. I mean, you got promoters for smaller cap stocks. You got promoters for bigger caps. I mean, it goes both ways.
Yeah, but I mean, I agree with them right now. So normally whenever they do something like that and I kind of disagree, then I'll just sit there and like rip through it and figure out why, try to prove them wrong.
Right. So, I mean, that like I said, that's for the chart. You've got the red line right now. It's sitting at a support, but you're right. I mean, it could definitely start screaming up. I'm just looking through here. The past, when it got outside and it started pulling back, it really pulled back or went sideways. So, I mean, there's definitely a chance that it's going to bounce off this support line, like Joe said. I mean, I'm saying it can go two ways. If it holds the support, it can go up. It can go sideways and start bouncing up like it's done in the past. If it doesn't hold that, it might fall through. So, we're going to put definitely a watch on this where it's at. So, 112. So that's where we're at right now for stock ticker symbol AAPL.